দাদা আমরা আজকে চলে এসেছি আলিপুর সেন্ট্রাল জেল মিউজিয়ামে। আমি আমার মিসেসকে নিয়ে আজকে আপনাকে পুরো পুরো দেখাবো, ওয়ান বাই ওয়ান, যাবেন না কোথাও। গাইস, it's now become Central Jail Museum. Earlier it was normal Central Jail, but now it has been converted to Alipur Central Jail Museum. See, this is a statue. Jawaharlal Nehru. I will show you the portrait, statue of Jawaharlal Nehru. See, this is the statue of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was in this jail, in this prison from 1934, from 17 February 1934 to 7th May 1934. See, daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Nehru. Okay, her full name was Indira Priyadarshini Nehru. Her birth was 1917 and her death was 1984. And here Indira Gandhi, Dr. Albert Einstein, Jawaharlal Nehru and Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Here Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Rabindranath Tagore. See, Jawaharlal Nehru centenary. Beside this, the gold circle, what is that? I can't able to read that, but this one I am showing you. Here written Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai. The left one was Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai. He was taking an oath of office as Chief Minister, administered by Governor what is that? Raja Gopalachari in the throne room of Government House, Calcutta, January 30, 1948. Okay. The real photo of Dr. Bidhan Chandra. He was looking like this. And here Indian convicts taken as laborers to build Singapore. Okay, it means Singapore has been partially built by Indian people also, Indian labor also, because today whatever Singapore you are visualizing, so moderation of Singapore, it's so sophisticated, so cleanliness, the backing, there is also Indian backing also. Okay, Indian laborers backing also. So Indians are still now independent. Don't think them loser. It is the passage from outside to inside. That one is last side, and this is the library. See, this is the library. See, this is the name, this is the cell number 1, this is the actual jail. Okay, where prisoner was locked. in earlier days. Okay, but see, it is the cell number 1 and cell number 2, both in same place, and there is cell number 3, and after that cell number 4. Okay, now we are going to cell number 1 and cell number 2. See, mango trees here. Multiple number of mangoes are. There are multiple number of mangoes. Okay. Attached with the branches. See here, multiple number of mangoes hanging hanging with the trees. Okay, hanging with the branches. See here. Okay, we are getting hungry too much, but sorry, we can't able to climb and and stretch one mango. Okay, and we can't able to pick up one mango. Okay, it is not allowable here. See, lizards are also sounding. Beside the pillar there are multiple number of trees. Nowadays we are seeing this in very rare because maximum trees are getting damaged now. Instead of that, highways are building getting up. This is destroying our natural climate. Okay. For this, because it is a signal of happening a dangerous natural disaster. So we are suggesting every Indian to plant a small or medium sized tree near your home. Okay. If you plant tree near your house, okay, rain will get multiple number of rain every day, and your evaporation, the climbing, the weather environment will also get balanced properly. See how jail looks like. The prisoner who kept inside the prison, okay, their life becomes to hell. Okay. Now we are getting inside the police museum. It is quite restricted area. Okay. Here written everything in details. Okay. Now I'm sorry I can't able to explain you elaborately because we have very less number of time. Okay. See how it has been maintained very cleanly. Okay. I will show you every portion one by one. Okay. See, number of bombs which are used for fighting purpose in earlier days, or also used for self-defense also. Gun. See, Duldia Dacoity case, 1933.
इधर से जाके पूरा बोला
This is also a different type of arms. Okay, it has been made by wood. Okay, inside dynamite was there. Dynamite was included inside the wooden shell. These are iron. Okay, this is wood. This is iron. See, earlier days weapon. Okay. Name of this weapon is kukri. Okay, this almost like a knife, but it's not a knife. Chandrakumar Dacoity case. I am not explaining the every topic one by one because it will take huge number of time. Okay, so I am showing you as a screenshot. See, these are different shaped bullets. Okay, we all time seen these bullets in movies, mainly cinema, serial, web series. But now I am showing you this in real life. Okay, you see the magazine inside the gun. How it looks like. It's called as revolver. AK-47 revolver is also look like this shape. Tag. चलो see here multiple numbers of jackfruit is hanging beside the trees. Okay, see multiple number of jackfruits. See, the name where BBD came from. Binoy Bose, Balok Gupta and Dinesh Gupta. From this tree, from this three person name, this BBD name came. Okay, the place which is now named as BBD Bagh. Is the name BBD came from these three person. These three persons which I named in a few minutes before, the BBD Bagh, Binoy Badal Dinesh, they attacked in Writers Building in 1930 and attempted to kill Stanley Jackson also. See how St. Xavier's College looked like in ancient days. Okay, the passage, the Park Street passage. the route starting from Molik Bazar ends up to Park Street Main Road. The data looks like in this pattern. See how Mahatma Gandhi looks like. Everyone imagine in their mind that how Mahatma Gandhi looks like. This is his actual picture. পরে খাও musket. Okay, the name of this weapon is musket. Actually, musket actually introduced by Europeans. Okay, and it is introduced to the Maori. Okay, for it used for mainly business. Okay, for business purposes, this Maori is used that time. See pistol. How pistol looks like. Pistol. The shape of this gun is very small. Okay. It's not like AK-47 or normal gun. There are two types of gun are there. This is named as revolver, and this is named as pistol. Revolver have 6 Colts inside the magazine, and revolver and pistol has one Colt only. This is also another revolver, and these are bombshell. When everyone used to fire the bomb, open the cap, which is over the iron shell. See here. I will show how prisoners lived, how was their livelihood. See how was prisoners' lifestyle. How whoever live in the jail, their lifestyle will be too much hell. Okay, no attraction with outsiders, no connection with outsiders, no connection with outside world. Totally hell. So I am advising you, don't do such type of activity which can make your life hell. Okay, don't hurt anyone. Okay. 3 2 The culprits who is in prison, how their lifestyle goes on in this way. This is called third degree. How prisoner carries their lifestyle inside the prison. Okay. Jail, too much hell. here also. See. See where they eat food. Their food plates looks like this. Dirty food they need to eat. Okay. He has ancient days currency. Looks like this way. See. Ancient for 5 paisa, 2 paisa, 3 paisa. Above the 2 is 1 paisa. See how 1 paisa looks like. Wait. 1 paisa. That is 2 rupees. See, multiple number of currencies there. What? Here we'll get the exhibition, okay? Exhibition. See. Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna, Paramahansa. Do you know what is the real name of Swami Vivekananda and Narendranath Datta? The name which is given to him by Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay. He arranged a fauj named Azad Hind Fauj to fight against Britishers. Whole history of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose will get here. Do you know? Subhash Chandra Bose also written multiple number of stories. He was also an author also.
The wife is only content the wife that never been invaded. Because with another year of
See, Mahatma Gandhi met with Subhash Chandra Bose in a train compartment 1957. Subhash Chandra Bose's home, his own home. He lived in Elgin Road, which is near Bhawanipur. Life of Sri Aurobindo. কানাইলাল দত্ত, সত্যেন্দ্রনাথ বসু, দীনেশচন্দ্র গুপ্ত। See here, Monastery of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Okay, he was a famous writer, a famous person also, a very brilliant person. Raja Rammohun Roy. He is a famous person who stopped a very critical rule, which is named Shoshidaho Protha. Swami Vivekananda. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, who written the song named Bande Mataram. He was also a famous writer. Kazi Nazrul Islam, famous poet, and his famous song was also there. Mahatma Gandhi. Famous poet Rabindranath Tagore. Acharya Prafullo Chandra Ray. He was a scientist. Azad Hind Fauj. Shoaib Khudiram, how he looks like. Or particular on this person, a famous song has been made. The name of the song was Ekbar Pita Dao Ma Ghure Ashi. দেশবন্ধু চিত্তরঞ্জন দাস। প্রীতিলতা ওয়াদেকার। সিস্টার নিবেদিতা। মাতঙ্গিনী হাজেরা। সরলা দেবী চৌধুরানী। সরোজিনী নাইডু। নেলি সেনগুপ্ত। লাবণ্য প্রভা ঘোষ। কমলা দাশগুপ্ত। সুচেতা মজুমদার। সুহাসিনী গাঙ্গুলি। বীণা দাস। Various types of coin sets are here. These were used in very earlier days. See, how was one paisa look like? 2 paisa, 3 paisa. Okay. See how it looks like. Typical oval shaped. Vinayak Damodar, Savarkar, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Bashant Kumar, Subhashchandra Bosu. Prithilata Vadekar, very historical characters here. See. Various types of olden days machines. I think it's used for mainly embroidery purpose. Multiple numbers of towel are there. They are work on towel, various types of design. Okay, they have done embroidery work on the towel. Some different type of designs. So guys, we have enjoyed Alipur Central Jail very much. It has been now converted to museum. Okay, it is the most famous spot. Just recently inaugurated in Kolkata. Okay, I am with my missus. Enjoyed here too much. Okay, here multiple number of plantation is here. Various type of embroidery works and ancient currency, Indian currency also has been showing here. Okay, and earlier this weapons and various types of arms has been stored in the museum. You guys, if you come in to visit Kolkata, once visit in Alipur Central Jail Museum also. You come, you don't get bored. It is quite knowledgeable. Okay, those who read stories in history. Okay, more knowledge you will gain if you come here. Okay, now me with my missus going outside. Kindly subscribe my channel.
Tata, bye bye.
Tata,
Please
bye.
subscribe to this channel.
See guys, this is the outside portion of Alipur Museum. It was really Central Jail, but now it has been converted to Alipur Museum. I am showing the outside gate. It is the entrance and exit also. Another thing I am going to explain you, the entrance ticket is per person 30 rupees. Okay, whenever you are going to visit in Alipur Central Jail Museum, always purchase ticket for 30 rupees. This is the timetable. Okay, Monday is closed.